Hello friends, so a warm welcome to you and all. So just I was visited in one of my clinic. So there I saw kind of this important instrument. So let's we revise it. Already we have seen this kind of instrument in earlier classes, but again इसको revise करते हैं. ज़्यादा instrument नहीं है, बहुत सारे instrument इसमें repeated हैं, but still we will try to you can say memorize it whatever we have already learned. Okay, or if it is there, if it is new one, definitely we will learn their you can say uses and all, and their parts as well. Okay, so first of all you can see here this is a Cusco speculum. Okay, you can see here this is a self retaining double bladed bivalve self retaining Cusco speculum. For the per vaginal examination we are using this Cusco speculum. Directly we are fitting this, and by here also we are locking it. Okay, you can see here we are locking here. Okay, so once we locked it, definitely this see here I am locking it. So once we locked it now, definitely it will not, see here it is closing right now, so it is now closed. So once we locked it now, definitely it will not compress. Okay, I am trying to compress, but it is not compressing. So that is nothing but it is a use for the to retract the wall of the vagina. Okay, so to do the PV from here. Okay, you can see here we can insert the instrument from here. We can do the, you can say kind of cervical examination, or you can say per vaginal examination. We can take the cervical sample from here, from this entry sites. Okay, so for the PV and all we are using this Cusco speculum, Cusco's double bladed self retaining. Okay, so this is a Cusco speculum. Now this is a tourniquet, you all know very well. For the blood during cannula insertion we are using this. This is a tourniquet. Okay, what is this? This is nothing but our a kind of suture cutter. Okay, you can see this is a suture cutter. So by placing this we can cut the suture here. Okay, you can see here this is a sharp blade here. Just try to see, it is a, there is a sharp blade. This one is a sharp blade here. Okay, I have holded my mobile in my hand, in my one of the hand. I'm trying to explain from my other hands. Okay, so that just try to understand. This is a blade one, and this is a cutter one. Okay, so this is blade one and this is a cutter one. Definitely we are using, this is a kind of a suture cutter. So by this we can cut the suture. If suppose suture is here, now definitely we have to cut like this. Okay, we have to cut like this. Is a suture cutter. Okay, so this is a suture cutter. Let's read the other one. Okay, this is nothing but our forceps. Okay, this is a forceps, simple a kind of ये instrument है. ये अपना क्या है, tooth forceps. Okay, it has a tooth at the end. Okay, you can see here it has a tooth at the end. Okay, just try to see it. It has a tooth at the end. Okay, I'm trying to zoom it, but it is not zooming. This is a kind of we have a two kind of forceps, plain forceps and tooth forceps. This one is a tooth forceps. Okay, because it has a tooth at the end. Okay, it has a tooth at the end. So friends, just try to see it. This is nothing but our, this is a you can see here there is a gap, and one of the tooth get fixed in that gap. Okay, this is our tooth forceps. Okay, you can see here this is a tooth forceps. We have a gap here, and one of the tooth is placing there. Okay, that is nothing but our tooth forceps. सो स्किन को पकड़ने के लिए वाइल ड्रेसिंग और वाइल सूचरिंग वी आर यूजिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ फोसेप, या फिर काइंड ऑफ ड्यूरिंग सर्जरी ऑल्सो टू ग्रैब समथिंग और टू होल्ड समथिंग वी आर यूजिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ फोसेप. ओके, सो राइट नाउ इट इज़ नॉट जूमिंग दैट मच, but I hope you supposed to be understood what is this. This is a tooth at the end which is supposed to be fixed here. Okay, which is supposed to grab the fix. Okay, this is our tooth forceps. Okay, this is our tooth forceps. Let's suppose try to understand the other one. This is nothing but our simple kind of scissor and all. Okay, this is a cutter, or you can say scissor. Okay, see here, this one is nothing but our Babcock holding forceps. This is a Babcock holding forceps. So this is whatever it is locking here, that is called as a ratchet lock. Okay, this is called as a ratchet lock. So I just how I hold it, just कैसे मैंने पकड़ा, just see it. Okay, just see it. दिस इज फ्री एंड दिस वॉट एवर आई हैव इंसर्ट, ये मैंने फिंगर जो डाल के रखा है ना, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, रिंग फिंगर्स बोलते हैं, रिंग सॉरी, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, फिंगर्स होल बोलते हैं. ओके, तो यू कैन सी हियर माई थर्म एंड फर्स्ट फिंगर गेट इंसर्टेड. आई हैव put it that in that ring or in that particular gaps. Okay, so this one. Okay, we have to like this, we have to suppose overlock it. Okay, you can see here there is a back side also which is locking that. Okay, so it is a overlocking. Okay, it is called as a locking. So this is ratchet teeth. ओके वी आर, दिस इज नथिंग बट रैचेट टीथ. तो फिक्सिंग करते हैं ऐसे, ऊपर लेके जाने का है और इसको फिक्स कर देना. अभी कितना भी खींचेंगे आप, अभी ये नहीं निकलेगा. वंस वी लॉक इट ना, it will not automatically get separated. Okay, this is nothing but ratchet lock. Okay, it has a ratchet lock. So you can see here long ये shaft रहता है इसका, और this is nothing but our handle. Okay, और लास्ट में जो टिप एंड ऑल समथिंग रहता है, you can see here इसके टिप में कुछ भी रैट टीथ नहीं है. ओके, बहुत सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट में रैट टीथ रहते हैं, जैसे मैंने आपको टूथ फोर्स में दिखाया ना. yes friend, just try to see it, it does not have any kind of rats. Okay, you can see here दोनों साइड से प्लेन है, यहाँ से भी प्लेन है. you can see here it is touching each other by lock, by does not lock. Okay, it does not locks. Okay, you can see here दोनों साइड में कोई भी टीथ नहीं है. जस्ट आई ट्राई टू explain to you, just see it properly, it does not have any kind of rat teeth. Okay, so that's why you can, now it is clear perfectly, it is clear right now. You can see here it is locking. So to hold the soft organ, to hold the soft tissues also, we are using this kind of a Babcock holding forceps. This is nothing but a Babcock holding forceps. तो जो गैप्स रहते हैं ना, ये दिस वन इज, जो गैप्स रहते हैं ना, ये सभी गैप्स जो टिश्यूज़ रहते हैं उसको होल्ड करने के लिए रहते हैं. तो यू कैन सी हियर इसमें कोई भी आपको रैट टीथ नहीं दिखाई देगा. ओके, मैंने आपको दिखा दिया, लेकिन स्टिल you will not notice, you will not find any rat teeth. Okay, तो डायरेक्टली आपस में स्टिक हो रहे हैं. एंड हाउ वी हैव टू होल्ड इट, जस्ट अगेन आई विल ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन इट. यू कैन सी हियर you have to hold like this. This is a interlocking, this is called as interlocking, and whatever it is locking, that is called a ratchet lock. Okay, so this is nothing but our Babcock holding forceps. तो lymph node की सर्जरी में to hold the lymph nodes and kind of कोई वाइटल्स ऑर्गन की सर्जरी, तो डेफिनेटली वी आर यूजिंग दिस मेनली इन द गायनेक पेशेंट्स टू होल्ड द fallopian tube during the tubal ligation, and you can say during fallopian tube surgery and all, we are using this kind of Babcock holding forceps. Okay, now let's see the other one. This is nothing but our plain forceps which does not have any kind of teeth. Okay, you can see here it does not have any teeth. This is our plain forceps to hold the tissues during the suturing and all, to grab something. Again we are using this kind of forceps. Okay, now this one is, this is not our curve artery forceps. Okay, this is a curve artery. It has a kind of ratchet lock. You have to lock it. Okay, you have to lock it. During locking it produces a kind of sound. Okay, you can see here. Okay, so it will lock. Now it is locked. If I try to retract, definitely it will not separate. So this is a curve artery forceps. It is curve at the end. So we have a curve and we have a simple. Okay, the non-curve and curve, we have a two kind of artery forceps. To clamp the artery during the surgery and all, there is a chances of you can say arterial rupture. So to clamp the artery, you can see here it has a multiple markings and all. Okay, you will notice here. Okay, there is a multiple striation are available and at the handles. Okay, you can see here, you try to see it, it has a multiple this kind of things. Okay, so ये प्लेन नहीं है, आपको मैं ट्राई क्या करना चाहता हूँ, ये प्लेन नहीं है. इट हैज़ अ काइंड ऑफ थिंग, यू कैन सी नंबर ऑफ स्ट्रेशन है. ओके, यू कैन सी स्ट्रेशन है. ओके, सो दिस इज नथिंग बट आवर, ये जो आर्टरी रहता है ना, आर्टरी को क्लैम्प करता है, और क्लैम्प करने के बाद आर्टरी को एकदम वो ब्लॉक कर देता है. सो दैट्स वाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज अ आर्टरी फोर्सेप, कर्व आर्टरी फोर्स. दिस इज अ कर्व आर्टरी फोर्सेप. ओके, लेट्स ट्राई टू रीड अदर वन. अगेन दिस इज सीजर. Okay, there are multiple instruments get repeated here. This is nothing but our Allis tissue forceps. Okay, this is called as Allis tissue forceps. तो सर्विक्स को होल्ड करने के लिए, या फिर काइंड ऑफ ड्यूरिंग गायनेक सर्जरी में इसका यूज़ वगैरह होता है, सर्विक्स को मेनली सर्विक्स को होल्ड करने के लिए, या फिर काइंड ऑफ फाइब्रोइड वगैरह को होल्ड करने के लिए, ड्यूरिंग माइमेक्टोमी, ड्यूरिंग हिस्टेरेक्टोमी. सो टू होल्ड द ऑर्गन्स वी कैन यूज़ तो मेनली फाइब्रोइड जो माइमेक्टोमी होता है, या फिर काइंड ऑफ वी हैव काइंड ऑफ सपोज टू बी जो सर्विक्स की सैम्पलिंग जो हम लेते हैं. ओके, सो सर्विक्स को होल्ड करने के लिए वी आर यूजिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ एलिस टिश्यू फॉर्सेप. ओके, दिस इज अ एलिस टिश्यू फॉर्सेप. जस्ट अगेन आई विल ट्राई टू एक्सप्लेन बाय एक्सप्लेनिंग दिस टीथ एंड ऑल. ओके, now you can see properly it has a kind of teeth that is called a rat teeth. So it is fixing over it. Okay, you can see it is get fixed here. ओके, तो सर्विक्स वगैरह को होल्ड करने के लिए ड्यूरिंग सर्वाइकल बायोप्सी, सर्वाइकल सैम्पलिंग वगैरह लेने के लिए यू कैन सी हियर नाउ इट इज़ प्रॉपरली क्लियर. इट हैज़ अ रैट टीथ. यू कैन सी हियर टीथ देख सकते हो आप दोनों साइड में, और ये बाद में लॉक्ड हो रहा है. ओके, दिस इज नथिंग बट एलिस टिश्यू फॉर्सेप. तो ऐसा समथिंग ये जा रहा है, स्लोप में जा रहा है ये. एट द टिप इट गेट स्लोप and it has both the ended, it has a rat teeth get locked during the holding. Okay, so it is nothing but our Allis tissue forceps. Okay, Allis tissue forceps. It also has a kind of ratchet teeth and the rat teeth. Okay, both teeth it has. Okay, you can see here we are locking here and it has a teeth. Okay, you can see here it has a teeth which is get overlocked. Okay, now let's see the other one. This is again that's Allis tissue forceps only. Okay, this one is again the curve artery forceps. Okay, this is the curve artery forceps. This is the curve artery forceps. This is a needle holder. Okay, this is a needle holder. So during suturing and all we are holding the sutures from here only. Now you can see here it has a striation as well and एक गैप दिख रहा है. there is a vertical groove. ओके, तो इसके अंदर सूचर गेट फिक्स हो जाता है दोनों साइड से. देख सकते हो आप, हॉरिजॉन्टल स्ट्रैशन है, वर्टिकल स्ट्रैशन है एंड देयर इज़ अ वर्टिकल ग्रूव. तो देख सकते हो इसका जो शाफ्ट पोर्शन होता है, ये जो इसका शाफ्ट पोर्शन है ये 6:1 में रहता है. तो जो इसका ये प्रॉक्सिमल वाला जो पोर्शन है और ये जो शाफ्ट पोर्शन है ये 6:1 में रहता है. तो दिस इज नथिंग बट आवर नीडल होल्डर. ओके, व्हाट वी कॉल एज दिस इज कॉल एज अ सूचर होल्डर और अ नीडल होल्डर. ओके, तो जैसे मैंने आपको दिखाया था स्ट्रैशन अवेलेबल है और बीट मिडल में एक वर्टिकल ग्रूव भी है. दिस इज अ नीडल होल्डर यूजिंग ड्यूरिंग सूचरिंग एंड ऑल. ओके, दिस इज अगेन द आवर हाउ वी हैव टू ओपन इट. अगेन यू कैन सी इट हियर. वी हैव जस्ट लॉक इट एंड वी हैव टू डू नीचे के साइड में और एक ऊपर के साइड में करेंगे तो ये लॉक खुल जाता है. Again, this is the curve artery forceps. Okay, this is the curve artery forceps. It has the striation both the sides. Okay, this is the curve artery forceps. This is our the cutter not cutter. It is nothing but a scissor. Okay. Now you can see here. This is our again. This is again the needle holder. Okay. This is again the. So again this is the, you can see here there is a groove. There is a groove and it has a striation. There is a vertical groove in the center and it has a horizontal striation and vertical groove. So और जो शाफ्ट ये जो इतना लंबा पोर्शन है और छोटा ऊपर पोर्शन है, there is 6:1. This is a needle holder. Okay, now let's see the other one. This is again there is a curve artery forceps. Okay, this is a curve artery forceps. छोटा वाला curve artery forceps है ये. Okay, let's see the other one. जो भी हमने देखा अभी यहाँ पे रिपीटेड रहेगा सब कुछ. This is nothing but our a kind of tooth forceps. Okay, this is our tooth forceps. It has a teeth at the end. Okay, it has a teeth at the end. So this is a kind of a tooth forceps. Okay, it has a tooth at the end. Okay, this is our plain forceps. It does not have any kind of teeth and all at the end. Okay, you can see here this is a plain forceps. This is our plain forceps. दोनों ही टिश्यू को होल्डिंग में रहते, देख सकते हो टिप पे कुछ भी नहीं है. This is our plain forceps. Again this is the Babcock holding forceps. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया कोई भी टिप पे रैट टीथ वगैरह नहीं रहता है. This is our again the curve artery forceps and this one is nothing but a BP handle. तो ये इसको हम स्काल्पल यहाँ पे लगाते हैं, ब्लेड लगाते हैं और ड्यूरिंग कटिंग एंड ऑल और ड्यूरिंग एनाटोमिकल सर्जिकली वी आर यूजिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ BP handle. Okay, this is a BP handle. यहाँ पे हम सूच, यहाँ पे हम स्काल्पल लगाते हैं, ब्लेड लगाते हैं 24 नंबर का, 22 नंबर का, 18 नंबर का, 12 नंबर का, 11 नंबर का, वट एवर. सो एंड आफ्टर दैट वी आर यूजिंग इट. दिस इज़ अ बीपी हैंडल फॉर द काइंड ऑफ सर्जरी में भी इसका यूज़ होता है. सो यू कैन सी हियर दिस ऑल काइंड ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट जस्ट वी हैव सीन. Babcock holding forceps, Alice tissue forceps, curve artery forceps. Okay, then there is a plain artery forceps है. Then along with that we have a kind of forceps, plain forceps, tooth forceps, plain forceps, whatever. So Cusco speculum है देखा हमने. So multiple things we have learned here. Again, if suppose I am visiting in a new hospital, definitely I will try to explain all the important instrument whatever we have left here. Okay.